Okay, for our first lesson for Unit 5, we will be focusing on the Spanish verb gustar. Now, we've already talked about this verb before in different units, but we're going to get into a little bit more of the specifics with the verb gustar and learn how to use it in a more complex and grammatically correct way. So, gustar is a bit of a weird verb because it actually means to be pleasing to. So gustar actually means to be pleasing to. That's its best translation in English. But in English, when we talk about things that are pleasing to us, we just say to like, basically. So we've talked about this before, but let's review. If I want to say I like, the parentheses is optional. If you want to specify who is doing the liking, you can say a mí me gusta. If I want to say you informal, like a ti te gusta. You like formal, and he likes and she likes. So you like formal would be a usted le gusta. He likes to be a él le gusta. She likes a ella le gusta. Now we're on to plural subjects. We like a nos. Oh, actually, a nosotros nos gusta. Y'all like, this is in Spain only. A vosotros or vosotras os gusta. Y'all, you all like, or you guys like. A ustedes les gusta. They like would be a ellos les gusta. They like all girls. A ellas les gusta. Okay. So those are all of the different ways to say what people like or what is pleasing to people. So in chapter 1.1, we learned to use the verb gustar with verbs. Some ejemplos. I like to play the guitar. You would say me gusta tocar la guitarra. Or to play the guitar is pleasing to me. We like to listen to music. Nos gusta escuchar música. Or listening to music is pleasing to us. However, we can also use gustar with nouns. For example, I like the book. I would say, me gusta el libro. Or, the book is pleasing to me. You can also say, she likes, that should say she likes. She likes the bread. Le gusta el pan, or the bread is pleasing to her. He likes the music. So it would be le gusta la música, or music is pleasing to him. Notice when I say the sentences that way, like the music is pleasing to him, this is what the subject is. In this sentence, the music is the subject of the sentence, or the bread, or the book, or listening to music, or playing the guitar. Those are all the subjects of the sentence. In this case, all of the subjects are singular. The book, the bread, the music, those are all singular subjects. So what happens if the subject of the sentence, or what is pleasing to somebody, what happens if these words are plural? How does that change what the sentence looks like? So let's look at how it changes. If I want to say, I like the books, or the books are pleasing to me, I actually write this different. I would say, me gustan los libros. And then I'm saying, the books are pleasing to me. We like the hamburgers would be nos gustan las hamburguesas. The hamburgers are pleasing to us. Or they like the cookies would be les gustan las galletas, or the cookies are pleasing to them. So, you'll notice that in all of these sentences, gustar changes to gustan. When the subject is plural, gusta becomes gustan. So let's do some practice. If you would like to, this is a good point to pause. First step, you will write me tele nosotros in the first blank. Then in the second blank, you will write either gusta or gustan, depending on if the subject of the sentence is singular or plural. So let's go ahead and do number one. A mí, that tells me I'm going to use me. And then I'm looking here and it says las ensaladas. Since that is plural, I will use gustan. A Guillermo y a Patricia les gusta el chocolate, because chocolate is singular. A Amanda le gusta ir al gimnasio. Here it says ir, which is a verb, not a noun. But if I look up here, anytime you use gustar with verbs, me gusta tocar la guitarra, nos gusta escuchar música, it is always gusta with verbs. Even if I listed multiple verbs, I would still say gusta. So it is pleasing to me to play the guitar. Playing the guitar is pleasing to me. So if it's a verb, you will say gusta. A mí me gusta la música. A nosotros nos gusta la clase de español. A ti te gusta gustan las frutas. A mi mamá le gusta la comida italiana. A Julia y a mí nos gustan los libros de poesía. A ti te gustan las películas de acción. Now let's practice just translating these sentences. Another good point to pause and check back. I like the cereal. Me gusta el cereal. We like the soup. Nos gusta la sopa. Do you like the grapes? Te gustan las uvas? She likes the French fries. Remember, you can always say a ella or a nosotros or a mí or a ti. A ella le gustan las papas fritas. Does he like the pizza? Le gusta la pizza? So just to review, the verb gustar literally means to be pleasing to. And you'll use a different pronoun like me, te, le, nosos, les for different subjects. And then down here, if you're talking about liking to do an action, so if you're using the verb gustar with verbs, you will always use the gusta. And then when you have nouns as the subject of your sentence, if they are singular nouns, you will say gusta. But if they are plural nouns like these ones, you will say gustan. So, gustan with plural nouns, gusta with verbs and singular nouns. If you have questions, feel free to contact me. Oh, after this homework or after this video, you can do all of the homework assignments for this lesson 5.2.